Rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. क्लास 9th इंग्लिश की आज हम पोइम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. पोइम का नाम है द रोड नॉट टेकन. रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट ये ऑथर है जिसने ये पोइम लिखी है. अगर हम बात करेंगे द रोड नॉट टेकन की, इसका जो मॉरल है कि एक इंसान किसी सिचुएशन में पड़ता है, ज़िंदगी के ऐसी सिचुएशन में पड़ता है कि जहाँ पे उसको अपनी ज़िंदगी का डिसीजन लेना पड़ता है, तो उस टाइम पे उसको कोई ऐसा रास्ता चुनना पड़ता है जो उसका फ्यूचर बनाए. और उस फ्यूचर को बनाने के लिए उसको सही रास्ता चुनना है. तो दैट मीन्स कि हमें जब भी कोई कदम उठाना चाहिए तो हमें ये कदम उठाना चाहिए कि हमें इसके जो आने वाले जो उसका जो फ्यूचर होगा, आने वाला जो फ्यूचर होगा उसका भी हमें ख्याल होना चाहिए कि व्हाट विल बी द फ्यूचर ऑफ दैट वेरी थिंग, दैट वेरी एक्ट विच वी आर गोइंग टू डू. ये हमें इस लेसन में हमें सबक मिलता है. जो रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट ने ये जो पोइम लिखी है द रोड नॉट टेकन, ये बहुत ही उसकी जो फेमस पोइम है, वन ऑफ द फेमस पोइम हम कह सकते हैं रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट की, जिसमें ये बता रहे हैं कि हमें जब कोई भी ज़िंदगी का कोई डिसीजन लेना चाहिए तो हमें उसको ऐसे उठाना चाहिए, हम डिसीजन को ऐसे लेना चाहिए ताकि हम ज़िंदगी में कामयाब हो जाएं. और हमें अपने हाल पे, अपने आप पे नज़र रख के वो कदम उठाना चाहिए. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस पोइम. I will read first stanza and then I will explain it to you. The roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveler long I stood and looked down as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. Once the poet was walking down on a road. There was a diversion. The road was divided into two. The road was divided into two. I can say two ways. There were two paths. Two roads. I can say right or left. The two roads diverged in a yellow wood. Yellow wood यहाँ पे diverge means हो गया separate, अलग करना किसी चीज़ को. Yellow wood यहाँ पे दिखाया गया है. That means the author is discussing the season of winter, autumn. क्योंकि उस टाइम पे पत्ते झड़ जाते हैं और पत्तों का जो कलर होता है वो क्या होता है, that change into from green to yellow. और यहाँ पे ऑथर बोलता है कि एक रास्ता है जंगल में जाने के लिए. दो रास्ते हैं, एक जगह पे मैं रुका हूँ. दो रास्ते हैं किसमें, जंगल में जाने के लिए, राइट और लेफ्ट. और आई एम सॉरी आई कुड नॉट ट्रेवल बोथ, मैं दोनों पे नहीं जा सकता हूँ. आई कांट गो बोथ दीज रोड्स, सो आई हैव टू चूज वन. So what he did, he had to choose one out of these two roads, and what he did, he chose one road, and be the traveler long I stood. I looked down one of the far as I could to where it bent the undergrowth. तो इसने क्या किया, इसने एक रोड चूज किया और वहाँ ये देख रहा है, उस रोड को देख रहा है कहाँ मुझे जाना है, और उसकी जो नज़र वहाँ तक जाती है. और फिर उसके बाद क्या आता है, उसमें वहाँ पे उसने वहाँ पे देखा कि वो जो रोड वो छुप जाता है. वो छुप जाता है, किस में छुप जाता है, वो छुप जाता है इसमें, झाड़ियों में जो प्लांट्स, छोटे छोटे प्लांट्स होते हैं रास्ते में जो खुद ही आ जाते हैं, तो वो उसमें छुप जाता है, जो रास्ता छुप जाता है। अंडर ग्रोथ मीन्स डेंस ग्रोथ ऑफ प्लांट्स एंड बुश, हाँ, जो वहाँ पे किस में होते हैं, फॉरेस्ट में होते हैं, तो उनमें जो रास्ता छुप जाता है। तो फिर ऑथर ने क्या किया, देन टुक द अदर जस्ट एज फेयर एंड हैविंग परहैप्स द बेटर claim because it was grassy and wanted aware, though as far that the passing there had warned them really about the same. So what the poet did, the poet kept looking on one path of the long for a long time to check is it a right path for him or not. Then he decided to start walking to another path because he felt that both paths were equally good. Why then he decided to go for that path which is grassy? Because he says, just as here he felt that both paths were equally good and started walking one of them. He adds that maybe he felt that the path was better for him to choose as it has had grass, क्योंकि उसको लगा कि वो जो रास्ता वो चूज कर रहा है वो ग्रॉस है, दैट मीन्स नो बडी और वी कैन से लेस पीपल हैव traveled on this very road which the author has taken now. Mm, uh, he think he thought that this road is better for him to do the, or I can say to have adventures, uh, to find the things which has not been seen by anyone yet. Actually it's the poem has the name the road not taken, that means this road has not been taken by other person, so he has decided that he will take that path which nobody has taken. Like when we take a decision, we see to the other people, had they chosen this profession or that profession. I can say if a child who is studying in class 12th, after completing his class 12th, he decides what his friends has done now, what in which college his friends or her friends has gone, which stream or which subject they had chosen. So he or she decided the same thing. Or she did not think of his own capabilities or don't take his own decision what would be the best for him. So the author did the same thing, did the different thing. He chose that road which has not been taken by अदर पर्सन, इट वॉज ग्रॉसी, दैट मीन्स कि जब इंसान किसी रास्ते पे चलते हैं तो वहाँ पे जो ग्रास वो ख़त्म हो जाती है, और जो रास्ता लोगों ने नहीं चुना होता उस पर ग्रास होती, उस पर घास होती है. तो दैट मीन्स द ऑथर हैज़ चूजन that path which has not chosen by the other people. And both the morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden back. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. What happened now next? The poet says that both the paths were similar this morning. Both had leaves on them, and no one had stepped on them as they were still green in color. He decided that the day would take one path and keep the other path for another day, although he knew that one way leads to another way. He knew that he could not go back on the choice that he had made. Similarly, even in our life, once we choose an option, we must keep on moving ahead with the option we have never get a chance to come back and take the option that we have left earlier. In this stanza, and the author says that these roads look same in the morning, so he thought in his mind that he will uh, take this road for the first day, and second this another road from on the second day, next day. But in his mind he thought that it's not possible, maybe I may come back or not. So, before taking any decision, we must think about the results. We must think about the consequences of the very thing, and we must, if we have taken a right path, if we have taken a path, and we must keep go on and be in a position to deliver good. So next stanza is, I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in wood, and I took the one less traveled, and that had made all the difference. And what author says, I shall be telling that this with sigh. Sigh means deep breath. After taking breath, that means the author has taken the rest now. The author has taken a rest now. Somewhere ages and ages. What means ages and ages? That means after some time, after a long time, he will tell what he will tell. Two roads diverge, and this first stanza, this the first line has repeated here again. Two roads diverged in wood. There were a forest in which the forest was had two roads to go inside, and I took the one less traveled. And what this poet did, he took one road which is less traveled, जहाँ पे कम लोग चले हैं, and that had made all the difference. Now, what I am at present, what I am, it's because of that decision which I took at the time when the this road was divided in two, and I took one path that was less traveled, or non-traveled, unused. The the gra- uh, the that was it was grassy, and the author thought that less people have traveled on this road, so he decided to take that very road, and finally, after reaching his spot what he had decided, and he at last said, and that I took one less traveled by, and that had made all the difference. What I am, what difference are now, it's because of the road which I have chosen. I hope you understood all the things what I said to you. And in this uh, poem, the next will be, I will send you the question answers of this poem. And learning about literary devices, I will also discuss it, and will send it to your WhatsApp groups. I hope you will respond me through LMS also. If any confusion or anything else you feel you have to discuss with me, I am always available for you. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.